Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now, yeah. I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nicolah. If you are new, hey, how you doing? Thank you so much for being here. And if you're old, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video, I am digging into one of my favorite all-time palettes right now, and it is the Element of Surprise palette by ColourPop. I really dig this palette, and I came up with this pink kind of, I don't really know what to name this eye look, to be honest. I did a cut crease and it has some shimmers in there. It goes from like a light petal pink to like this nice rosy pink with a purple base. It was just kind of like a random eye look, and I ended up really loving how it came out. I paired it with this really iridescent kind of rainbow-esque lip gloss from Lancome. All of the information that I used on my base, because I didn't record me doing my foundation or my brows or anything, I just went straight into the eye look in this video because that's what I wanted to focus on for you guys. So if you want to know how I do my base, I will link my everyday makeup routine up in the ticker, and all the information will also be down in the description box below. I'm gonna stop chatting because I really like this eye look, guys, and I want y'all to get it. I want y'all to do it. I want y'all to get into it, dig into it. Yeah. Alright guys, so if you're interested to see how I came up with this eye look, then stay tuned. So the first color I'm dipping into is Sea Stars. This is the perfect transition shade for my skin tone. It has a nice brown that's going to help bring in and tie in the purple into every other color that I'm going to add onto my lid. And I'm just building up the intensity of that shade to my liking. So like I said, I really wanted a nice purple for this look, so I'm going to go ahead and dip into Silk Streets, and I'm going to layer that on top of my previous transition color and also feather out the ends a bit. And to add in this purple, I'm just going to use another blending brush, but this blending brush is a little more tightly packed because I want the color in my crease to be as intense as possible. So now it's time to cut our crease. I'm just using some regular old LA Girl Pro Concealer and a concealer brush, and I am taking my time to carve out whatever kind of shape that I would like for the crease to cut in. When cutting your crease, I always suggest to just follow the natural indentation of your eyeball. I know that sounds crazy, but everyone's eyes are shaped differently. So if you follow the indentation of your own eye, that'll just ensure that whatever cut crease you get, it looks nice on your eye shape. The first color I'm going to pack on top of the concealer is Rayon. It is a really pretty duochrome in the palette, and I'm just going to layer that up until I get the intensity I want. For this step, I think it's best to use a packing eyeshadow brush because I'm using mostly a packing motion to get the eyeshadow onto the concealer. The last color I'm going to dip into is Peace of Mind, and it is a really pretty metallic kind of deep pink reddish kind of color, and I'm going to use another flat eyeshadow brush, but this one is a little more tightly packed because I really want to get into that end part of the cut crease. So next, we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of eyeliner for this look. I'm using the Mega Liner from Wet n Wild, and this is just going to serve as a nice little safety zone / base for our lashes. To further prepare for our falsies, I'm going to go ahead and throw on a coat of mascara. I'm using the Unlashed Mascara by Wander Beauty, and I really like this mascara, and I like how jet black it comes out on my lashes. For blush, I'm going really soft because I want the focus of this look to be on my eyes, so I'm just using this pretty vulgar blush, and it is in the shade Make 'em Blush. For bronzer, I am using this really old but OG compact blush from Ofra, and I am taking a soft angle brush to
take the bronzer and place it lightly over the areas where I contoured. For the lips, I am taking this really pretty iridescent lip gloss from Lancome. It is from their Prismatic Plump lip gloss line, and I'm using the color Effervescent, and I'm just going to place that all over my lips. Last but certainly not least, I'm gonna highlight, and I'm taking this highlighting slash sculpting palette from Pure to highlight my face, and I am using the color Trailblazer in the palette.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to give this a thumbs up. If you want to see more tutorials like this or more reviews or anything like that, make sure to leave a comment down below. Subscribe, share with your peeps, and until next time, peace.